Parboiling is a blended word that takes partial and boiling and basically smashes them together, because that is what parboiling is, partially boiling something. It involves the process of boiling something like potatoes until they are partially cooked, but not all the way. To parboil is to boil food, usually vegetables, briefly and lightly. To parboil is to partially boil, like someone really sleepy is telling you to part-boil the parsnips before you roast them. To boil something, you cook it in hot, steaming water, often for a long time. Parboiling takes boiling down a notch. Parboiling though is different from blanching. Blanching refers to the process of quickly dipping an item into boiling water and then quickly chilling it by then plunging it into ice water. Parboiling includes the quick boiling part, but not the chilling part, so that is how the two are different.